What is remarketing and should I use it? This is a great question. So if you're using Google Ads and you haven't considered using remarketing, this is huge. This is an excellent strategy for any type of business. Remarketing ads are if a user has gone to your website, you're able to have remarketing ads follow them around when they go to other websites. So the only thing they have to do is visit your website one time. That makes them familiar with your business and your brand, and the ads that follow them around, they only have a cost if they click on it. So basically they're seeing your ad multiple times on many different websites for free. The only time there's a cost is when they click to go back to your website, which is ideal, and that's what we want them to do. Remarketing ads are only on the display network. The display network is made up of 3 million different websites that are partnered with Google. That is a program called the Google AdSense, which means that the website can have the ability to show ads on their pages. These websites are different. They could be from blogs to weather to sports. Anytime you've seen an ad that may be from a product you were looking on Amazon, you may think these are stalker ads, and I think that's just the perfect name for remarketing because they are stalking you. You can have remarketing ads follow a customer or a website visitor around for 30 days. And having that information follow ideal customers that have visited your website or have visited a specific page of your website even more, having an ad follow them. This is going to be very valuable to get people to come back to your website. So if you're considering using remarketing, the question is, yes, you should definitely use it. It's a great benefit, a low cost, and all it requires is Google Analytics coding on your website, which you should already have, and Google Ads campaign set up to attract the people that have gone to your website before. Now create specific ads for those people based on what they did on your website. If they added to the cart, have a message that says you forgot something, come back and finish your purchase. Or if they subscribed or watched a specific video, you want to have an ad that speaks directly to what they were looking at or interested in. The more specific, the more likelihood that they're going to click and come back and do something even better. So if you're questioning using remarketing, I definitely suggest it, and it's easy to set up. If you're interested in more, just ask me.